My name is Inga, and today I would like to tell you about the one important issue about the joints health. As we know, a lot of people have problems with the joints, and you have always three options what to do if you have problems with joints. First option is to drink pills against pain. This is not good because it takes pain away for a while, but when it comes back you drink again, and if you drink a lot of pain pills, then in the long term you will have problems with the stomach and with the liver, because it damages these two organs. The second thing is, if you are really in a very big pain, you have really big problem with joints, then you can make, for example, like a back pain or an other side of the body, you can make blockade of this part of the body with an injection. It's quite expensive, and it takes away pain for most of the cases, but not all cases as far as I know. But it takes away like really big pain if you are really in big pain, but it doesn't change the problem. So when this injection effect will go away, maybe in the long term, you have a pain, you will be in pain again. So if you have really joint problems and there is some kind of less joint in your body, and or you had some kind of works that you are doing on one side, and it's like it is damaging your joints, then I have a third option. Third option is quite unique in this market, and I'm from Europe, and this product is from Germany. And as far you know, Germany is the same as Japanese people, have one of the highest standards in quality till that moment, as far I know. So this product is produced by German doctor Neil Dushix. He started his experiments 30 years ago with the horses, with the sport horses, and as you know, the joints for sport horses is very important to win the game. So he started with the horses, and then after he started with the people, experiments with the people. In the end, after 30 years of the work, he got really good results of this product, and for some last years this product is in the market, and this product is called B-luron. B-luron. Here is a big box. In this box you have 2 bottles of liquid of this product. So you take it with the food inside their body, and this special combination that brings this liquid with all the ingredients, what is very important, the joints inside the body. And if you have left only 3 millimeters of the joint, you can regrow it to the full result after some while. All depends, of course, how big problem do you have, but if you have left at least 3 millimeters of the joint, it will regrow back your joint. Really, it's no joke, it's real product. It's really so good, and this quite new in the market, so a lot of people doesn't know it. So of course, if you are really in pain, you can make a blockade, you can drink a pill, because you know sometimes you can't cope with it, but at the same time you can start to use this B-luron and get back your joints and be happy and be healthy. So I will tell a little bit about the B-luron, what it is and what is inside. So B-luron is an active biological supplement for the daily nutrition, which is based on hyaluronic acid and chondroitin complex, developed by Gramme Revit company as innovational technological supplement. So it won't harm your body. It's all natural, but it's very special complex that gets into our joints. So this is the most important thing. We know the hyaluronic acid in the beauty industry, we are using it a lot. Nevertheless, this is special complex of hyaluronic acid and other ingredients to especially get in our joints. It's very complicated to get in our joints, but it is possible. So it intended to activate the production of own synovial liquid, providing delivery and restoration of cartilaginous tissue. Benefits of B-luron. Effect of the product aimed at the root cause of the problem. Orthomolecular complex corrects imbalances at the molecular level to optimize the biochemical processes in the body. Affects all the joints. Can be combined with physical therapy and any drugs. Prolonged action. One course is treatment of the 3 to 5 months. Very, very effective. There is a lot of other products what you need to use for 6 months to get the same result when you drink one box of the B-luron. So it's very, very effective and with a prolonged effect. No side effects. Convenient form of production and use. The action of active ingredients. Hyaluronic acid makes sure that the joint is free from friction. It provides the joint lubrication and tough elastic consistency and is therefore responsible to act as shock absorber as well as a building structure of the hyaline cartilage. Hyaluronic acid is found in many tissues of the body. It tightens the skin and the connective tissue, keeps the cartilage elastic, and smears and oils our joints. Hyaluronic acid is a major component of the synovial fluid, the joint grease. Without this material created by the body, our joints would not be able to move without friction. Apart from everything, this synovial fluid acts as a buffer and nutrient source for the cartilage cells that needs to be constantly regenerated. Hyaluronic acid is a glycosaminoglycan. Ingredients of the B-luron. Chondroitin sulfate, hyaluronic acid, vitamin E, auxiliary components like invert sugar, potassium sorbate, and water. Usage. Take 30 milliliters once a day for 30 days. As I said before, it's a prolonged action. One course, one box is a treatment of prolonged treatment of the 3 to 5 months. It is recommended to drink at the same time with food, and it is recommended to store in the refrigerator, and you need to shake it before use. Recommendation for use B-luron. Arthrosis, age wear, prolonged excessive and or one-side stress on the joints during the work, including overweight. Large athletic exercises before and after competitions. Pathology of intervertebral disc, protrusion, subsidence. Period of rehabilitation after surgery on joints, arthroscopic sanitation. Congenital X and O shaped curvature of the legs, osteochondropathies of teenagers, gout in combination therapy. So it's quite different usage, not only like for standard problems with the joints, but for many other issues as well. This is really good and exclusive product. So if you have any kind of questions, you can contact me, and I will tell you more. So for individual information, contact me in person. So I will say that this is really good product. I had a problem with my back as well, and I have used it, and it feels really good. So my back is strong again, as I'm a lot of sitting job, and this affects my back as well. So if you have any kind of joint problems and you have a question, please write me, and I will try to answer as fast as possible. So thank you for watching, and take care about yourself and be healthy. Bye.